Welcome back, everyone. This is us. What are we doing? We're going to EL.
Yes.
We have a new friend with us. This is Alkai. Say hi.
Hi.
Yeah. So we're gonna go on an adventure today. What is today? Today's Sunday.
Yes.
We are planning to go to EL. Explain what is EL? I don't know how to put it into words, Tiff. Sorry.
A freshwater river
Yeah.
with ponds.
We're gonna get wet. Okay, but first we're gonna pick up some breakfast. So, yes, we will see you then. All right, guys, welcome back. So we're still driving at the moment. We're supposed to go Kyopulan to go eat.
Change of plans.
Change of plans. So we're changing our plans. The fries are
Wait,
gonna
we're
get
gonna
cold.
go Kyopulan to eat though.
Yeah. The fries are gonna get cold.
Yeah.
So our plans have changed. We're not going to EL. We are going to Twin Falls. So we're gonna go on an adventure. I've never been to Twin Falls yet. I've been in their parking lot, which is not that great actually. So we'll figure this out. Yeah, we're gonna have a lot of fun.
But that's why you have a local like me.
And me.
We know how to keep.
Are you saying that I'm not local? Okay, bitches,
not
if you were on my island, I'd fuck you both
okay, I
up.
said local like me. I didn't say.
No, on
that
Maui.
we're all
Just
local.
like knowing the spots.
Yeah, because I'm not originally from here. I've been living here for about 3 years now. But if these fuckers was on my island,
I don't know
I
shit
wouldn't know
there.
shit.
exactly. That does make me feel a little better though. All right, we're gonna go to the park to go eat our food, and then we'll see you in a bit. Okay, everyone, so we are here at Twin Falls, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna fuck some shit up.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
We're gonna go adventuring. Hopefully we can vlog as well, if I remember to, because I like to take in the beauty of the world. All right,
And we're
let's
gonna
do
show
this.
some tourists how to bomb.
Tell the people what bombing means, because I know not a lot
You
of
jump
people
in
from the
water and
mainland.
big splash.
Okay, yeah, big splash, big splash,
Big splash.
big splash. Okay, we'll see you in a bit. Okay, guys, we are here at the first falls.
Yes.
So the first fall, I'm not sure if you can see it, is right about there. The water is a little murky because it's been raining for the past couple days, but it's pretty amazing today. It's an amazing fun day. So where are we going? Are we going here? Or are we going to head all the way up? The second one?
Yeah.
Okay, so we are going to head up to the second fall,
Second ball.
which is this way. Okay, so
We're not gonna go to the third one.
not sure if you could hear that, but we aren't going up to the third falls. We're just going up to the second one. So yeah. Oh, this is so pretty. I'll see if I can edit in some pictures, by the way.
There it is.
Don't explain why there's not much tourists. Don't explain why there's not much tourists. Only locals have the balls enough to jump that.
Okay, so we are here at one of the falls. This is the second one. And there is, where'd he go? There he is right there. He's about to jump. Yeah, let's enjoy this. Okay, that was amazing. It was kind of cold, but not really. We had a good time. Tiff didn't jump in, so we're gonna head back to the first one so we can all swim together because we're friends. Yeah, how was it?
It's hard to get the... First of all, it was really good actually.
Yeah.
It was really refreshing.
Yeah, it was actually really refreshing.
We needed that one.
Yeah. All right, so we're gonna head back to the first one, and we'll see you in a guys. We'll see you guys in a bit. Yeah. Okay, so that was very refreshing. The sun is just like beaming on me right now. It's so awesome. Today is an amazing Sunday, yeah, guys.
Yeah.
Today's just been a really good Sunday. But yeah, we're heading back down to the first pond. This has been really lovely. I think all three of us kind of needed this right now.
Yeah.
We've had like very stressful last 2 weeks, moving around and working. Yeah. We've got important dates coming up as well that we're gonna be prepping for. Yeah, so we just needed a little break.
What was that? Somebody put the wall there.
So I think this is a really good idea to come to Twin Falls. What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah.
How kind of this side? This side.
Well, it was kind of
when
like
I
a
don't-
split-minute decision too. I mean, hey, that's what Adventure Day is all about, right?
But it was a very
Yeah.
nice journey here. And I
Yeah.
bet you it's going to be a very nice journey back.
I know, right? So
Just don't
our
try and make it
adventure
fast.
days are more of like
No problem.
not really sticking to a plan. We just go wherever the wind takes us. So original plan was to go to Eau, but then we just came here instead. I actually really think I like that plan. It's really nice. All right, so we will see you back at the pond. All right, welcome back everyone. We have found our own cute little spot over here. It's like a little brook here. Yeah, everywhere else was a little crowded for us. We like seclusion. We like being alone and enjoying ourselves. Isn't that right, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and enjoy the day, and hopefully you can enjoy it with us. Have a good one. Okay guys, we just got out of Twin Falls.
Yeah.
We had our own little spot.
Be careful with the potholes.
Yeah, be careful with the potholes. There's a lot of potholes over here. Oh my god, I thought that cone was a little fucking girl. Like, someone needs to pick up their daughter.
It's a scarecrow.
Scare away what though? Howlies. Bugger look like a menehune. Okay, so we are going to adventure to a place called Dog Ponds, which is a quaint little spot right off the side of the road. It's kind of hidden though, so like you don't get the peeping eyes, if you know what I mean. So yeah, we're gonna go there and then I'll see you guys there. All right guys, we are here at Dog Ponds. We are gonna be swimming in this little pond here, which comes down to this waterfall. And there's alpine, which leads to a bigger pond and then a smaller pond right down there. Yeah. So we're gonna have a really good time tonight or today over here. Yeah, it's gonna be great. Yeah, It'll be great. All right, guys, that was an awesome day. We just got done swimming at Dog Ponds. We're gonna head back to, I think, Alkai's house to go wash off his rugs. And we're probably gonna head back home so we can just like clean up a little bit and then have some dinner. We have some leftover dinner from last night. We had, what did we have, Tiff?
Chicken Alfredo, homemade.
Yes, homemade chicken Alfredo.
Move
Yeah.
back. You are about to get it to turn it to bird number 3.
Yeah, so he has a problem with hitting birds.
I have that.
Dude, it's
luck
like
with
smoking
hitting
over
birds.
here.
Yeah.
Shit.
So it's burning rubbish.
Is it?
Yeah. Look at the sign on it.
Oh, okay.
Literally not even affected.
So we had a great time. So we're just like cracking jokes and stuff.
Yeah.
But yeah, it was a really good time. We need to do this again, guys.
Yes,
this was
we
really
do.
fun. Yeah.
Yes, we did.
Yes.
Okie dokie. So we are gonna clock out for the day. Thank you guys so much for watching. This video will either be posted up by tonight. So let's do this again, guys. Like this video, comment, subscribe, hit that notification button. Also follow me on social media. Not my Facebook because I like my I like my Facebook to myself. But I do have a TikTok though. Look me up under Ponohiano Toyama. I don't know how to change that yet, but I'll figure that out. We make some really crazy videos. We do duets with each other all the time. You can follow him on TikTok at Reese Gerard. Tiff at TikTok. What is it? Tiff underscore.
Tiffany
Tiff-
underscore.
Yeah, Tiff D. I'll put everything in the description box below. So yeah, thanks guys.